Do you want to know how to make a really warming, soothing dal for a cold night? Watch here. So in this recipe, I'm using yellow split peas instead of red lentils. So you can get yellow split peas from the supermarket. Firstly, what you want to do is you want to wash the lentils. So just in some warm water, wash it out just so you get some of the impurities out. Then drain out the water, so the water will go a little bit cloudy with some of the impurities, and just drain that out and re-rinse again. So once you've done that, top up with some fresh water and pop onto the hob. So this will take about 40 to 45 minutes to cook. All you'll need to do is you'll get a layer of like foam on top, and you just want to kind of remove that with a spoon. I add a bit of turmeric into my dal to give it a lovely golden flavour, and it's great health benefits as well, and also a bit of garam masala as well. Mix that in, cover, and then let it cook. So as you can see, the dal would have thickened up quite a bit. Not to worry, so it is quite a thick dal, but you can also loosen it up with water later on to make it thinner if you like. So I'm going to add extra flavour into my dal. So what I'm going to do in a saucepan is I'm going to put in some coconut oil. I'm going to let that melt and add in some cumin seeds of flavour. Let this cook for about 30 seconds or so to release the aromas. I've also got some chopped fresh tomatoes, I've got some garlic and ginger as well. I'm going to grate the ginger, and also some curry leaves. So I've had some fresh curry leaves, and I'd love to add that flavour into the dal, so I'm just going to chop them up finely. Give everything a good mix and let that cook, and then I'm going to add in some tomato puree. So again, it's just to make it a little bit more flavourful, and I'm going to cook that down for about 10 minutes or so. Season everything with salt, and then we're going to add that into our dal. So we're going to scrape in all that tomato flavour into the dal. Gently give that a mix up, and then I'm going to add some spinach as well. And let that cook for about 5 minutes or so, just until the spinach is wilted down and you can see it's lovely and gorgeous and thick. This is a perfect recipe for a cold night. You can have this with a bit of naan bread, some rotis, bread or rice even on the side. It's gorgeous. It's really filling as well, so you'd only probably need a bowl full of it. Even some lovely chutneys or some chilies as well will add a nice bit of a kick to the dish. I serve mine up with cabbage as well, just sautéed cabbage on the side. It's super tasty. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more.